Hello and welcome to today's video, guys. Today we have a great product from the brand CarpodGo, and this is the T3 model. And some of the features this includes is a fully laminated display with seamless black texture. It has a 6-second boot up and 6-second connectivity to your phone using a multi-core real-time Linksys system, which is one of the best in the system. It also has 60 frames per second wireless CarPlay, so it's very smooth scrolling when you're scrolling in between your screens. It has timed night mode and day mode. It has display only Bluetooth mode, and it's 1920 by 720 resolution with up to 230 ppi bits. It has a magnetic mount. It supports your original car Bluetooth, FM, aux, and audio playbacks. It's fully illuminated display. It's extremely narrow, 6.5 millimeters. The screen itself is 8.9 inches from corner to corner, and it's simply a very good product. It is 120% faster than the previous model, the T2. This product could be mounted in various different locations using the multiple mounting hardware that they provide you with. It's a very intelligent system. It has a great UI design interface, very simple, very clean, and it's probably one of the best systems that I've tested, and I highly recommend it for anybody to try. It has a built-in speaker, 1080p. Wi-Fi is 5 gigahertz dual band, Bluetooth 5.0. So it's one of, it has everything very quick. US Type-C charging and output. Very great product, guys. All right, so we are here in the car with the product. I have temporarily kind of mounted it right there, plugged in it to the outlet to get power, and then right there to get the sound. I have to say this is one of the fastest operating screens that I have ever seen. So I'm just gonna click my ignition, and look how quickly that powers up and goes right to life. And there it is, it's already at the full home screen page. That is how quickly it boots up. So it just connected me to my Apple CarPlay. Hopefully you're hearing my sound because I might be connected to my speakers. But I have everything set up. Very, very quick system. So you have your general Apple CarPlay settings. This is the main screen for the display. Right here is Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You click here, you have your Bluetooth settings, system information, time zone, different languages that you could choose from, Bluetooth settings, display settings, volume settings. And for the volume settings, I actually had to turn up the media output to get it to be at full volume. So I did turn that up. Then you have different selections of how you could actually select the sound going into your car, so which is pretty neat. And then you have your general about and software information. So very simple, very, very simple layout, very intuitive. Look how quick it's switching in between everything here. So let's, for example, say we go into the phone, my contacts, You know, look how, and actually I just butt dialed somebody. Anyway, doesn't really matter. Keypad, let's try to call 911. There you go, you could call them if you need to. Very simple, very quick and intuitive. Let's say we want to search for something here. Let's look for some video podcasts. So everything is working extremely well, guys. Very extremely well. I'm not a fan of Google Maps. I like Apple Maps the best. It kind of just shows everything very nicely. And the way it displays everything. 3D, 2D. Text messages came through, as you could see. So it actually, when she texted me, it connects to the Bluetooth audio, so it stops recording, but it does work perfectly fine, connects through the speakers of the car. And I just told her I just butt dialed her, so that was pretty freaking sweet. Very simple, guys. You have all your settings, all your different options very quickly. So let me just show you an example. So as you can see here, the switch has an on and off button. So what I'm gonna do for you guys is I'm gonna click off. You could just focus. Okay, I just shut it off. And I turned it back on, and look how quickly we're gonna be able to connect to my Android or my Apple CarPlay. Okay, it's just connecting to everything. There we go. So it just has to find that connection, and then it boots right up, which is very great. Also, they include a cables and a rear view camera, which you could run the cables and mount it to the back of your car and install a rear view camera if you don't have one. Luckily in this car I do have one, so that's pretty sweet. But everything works great. It's a quick, slim design product. It's very slim, very compact. This is the best one that I have tested to date, and honestly I am super impressed with it. Very impressed with it.